Hey, topic of life's math and history, and we're going to be talking about functions in real life. And we're going to be also looking at real life examples. So, in the past video, we have been taking a look at functions that look like these. So, your x, what we said earlier, is going to be your input or your domain. And your letter F is going to be your output or your range. So in this video, we get to see where these would play in real life. If you ever learned in your science classes what an independent variable and a dependent variable is, then you'll probably understand what's going to happen next, because math is actually correlated to science. With an independent variable, that's your variable that's always constantly changing. And that explains why we have x in here, and it's called our input or our domain. We can insert any number into x, and it will get us our output, our range. See you at the 1 mile mark! Here is our example. The number of points in cross country depends on the place. So when we say place, we're referring it to these kind of places. And what you gotta do is to cross that finish line in order to score points. The thing is, you can't score points right before crossing the finish line. So we can sense that there's an independent and a dependent variable. The independent variable is the place that you get, like first, second, third, and etc. But after you place something in a cross-country race, what's going to depend on that is your score. So we have easily found the independent and the dependent variable. What the good thing is to look at is the word depends is actually going to help you, or the word effects. So what you'll want to look at is key clues that might help you, like what happens first, then what happens after, because something is definitely going to depend on something in order for it to happen.
Right here, Winnicott and Needham. Winnicott will take this. 1902. Top three individuals, top four individuals. This is Marshfield's first. That's going to be one to watch.
That was an awesome race. So let's see what our next scenario is. And what we're going to be finding again is the independent and dependent variables for this. So, in the winter, more electricity is used when the temperature is down, and is less used when the temperature is up. So we can say that the amount of electricity we use actually depends on what the weather temperature is. So we're going to say what happens first is the temperature changes. And what happens next is people use electricity. And the amount of electricity used depends on what the temperature of the weather is. So what happens first is the temperature changes, then people use the electricity. So we found our independent and dependent variable. I hope the dependent variable for this video is helping you understand this math lesson. Thank you for watching Taoping Airlines The Math Industry. Like and subscribe.